In this video, I will show you how to fix images not showing problem in Microsoft Edge. So guys, once you search any image in Edge browser, so you are not able to see any image. So to resolve this issue, you can try this method. Open Edge settings, three dot and settings, and here cookies and site permissions, this one, click on it. Now in all permissions, find out images, this one. So make sure this option is on. In case it's turn off and disabled, so make it on. Now refresh your page. So you will be able to see all images. So this is the way you can fix and resolve images not showing in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching.